To some, real estate's a job, a manageable, make your own hours job with a paycheck, some of the time. But to others, it's a career, a lifestyle, a passion. It's a game, it's a challenge, and it's making their clients' dreams come true. We're in the second camp. At Tim and Julie Harris Real Estate Coaching, we feel that everybody has that power. It just needs to be unlocked. But some of us just don't know how to get that passion and where that ambition exists. And to be honest, it's not easy. You need somebody to hold you accountable and guide you in the right direction. That's what we do here with our real estate coaching and training. Join us. Sign up for a free 30-minute call today